Hello. In this video I'm going to show how to solve multi-step equations. I'm going to do the example 7 times the quantity 3x plus 6 equals 11 minus the quantity x plus 2. To solve means to find the number or numbers that makes the statement true. On this left-hand side, I'm going to use the distributive property. I'm going to take 7 times 3x, and I'm going to take 7 times 6. So on the left-hand side, I get 21x plus 42. On the right-hand side, I'm subtracting a quantity. This is the same as plus the opposite of the quantity, or plus negative 1 times the quantity. The important thing is that the negative is going to be distributed through and change the signs of all the terms on the inside. So this is going to become 11 minus x minus 2. The next thing I'm going to do is combine like terms. So on this right-hand side, I have 11 minus 2, that's 9. Whenever you have like terms on the same side of the equal sign, you should combine like terms. That gives me 9 minus x on the right-hand side. It's always a good idea to have your equal signs lined up going straight down the page, by the way. Now, I need to decide, am I going to have my x's on the left side or the right side? I think I'm going to put them on the left side so that I'm going to have a positive number of x's. To get rid of this subtract x, I'm going to add x to both sides. So when I add x, which is 1x, to both sides, I get 22x plus 42 equals 9. Now I have this plus 42. I need to get rid of the plus 42. So I'm going to subtract 42 from both sides. So 42 minus 42 is 0. 0 plus 22x is 22x. And on the right-hand side, I have 9 minus 42. That's 9 plus negative 42. That's going to give me negative 33. And now I simply need to do the inverse operation of multiplication by 22, which is to divide both sides by 22. So on the left-hand side, I get x, and on the right-hand side, I have negative 33 over 22. That can be simplified. If I divide top and bottom by 11, I get negative 3 halves. Now I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to check that. I'm going to put negative 3 halves in for x in each of the locations and see if, in fact, the statement is really true. I'm using Desmos, but you can use any calculator. When you put negative 3 halves in for x on the left-hand side, you get 10.5. Now I'm going to put negative 3 halves in on the right-hand side and see what I get. 11 minus the quantity negative 3 halves plus 2. And we get 10.5 on that side as well. So that means I can put a box around my answer. Negative 3 halves is our solution. Have a great day.